I mean, as humans, we want to maximize today. We don't want to plan for tomorrow. I mean, it's just kind of a instinctual reflex that we all have. And the single best thing that we can do as younger people is to maximize our 401ks or any retirement plan, because it is the only free money we get. It is free money in the sense that if your company matches you, it's tax deferred. It is literally the best thing you can do to plan for your retirement. And 401ks are woefully, first of all, a lot of people don't know, a lot of employers don't offer them because they're small, and a lot of people don't take them up on it, or only put what they think they can afford today, not thinking about the value of that money there versus, being spent on Starbucks or whatever else. And so I do think in terms of the companies, we're invested in two businesses in the retirement space. We're looking for more. One is called Penelope. It is a 401k focused on micro businesses, and they're launching a solopreneur kind of for people who are independent consultants and freelancers and this and that. But there is absolutely, everyone should have a retirement plan. So that's kind of point one. It's like, you can't talk to any economist or academic who doesn't say, have a retirement plan, max it out. Then within that, we're invested in a business called Rocket Dollar. Traditional 401k fund administrators like Fidelity, T. Rowe Price, Vanguard, they legally are not, they offer you mutual funds. They are not allowed to offer alternative investments. Now, obviously, the bottom crashing out on crypto, has made many people skeptical or nervous of alternative investments. But there's a lot within that. Alternative investments includes second homes and users' real estate property, think Airbnb. It includes, as I said, real estate includes art. It includes in being able to invest in venture funds or other things. And so Rocket Dollar is a safe way for you and a legal way for you to be able to put retirement assets in that tax advantage state into alternative assets. And so those are just two examples of investments we've made that are really trying to encourage people to save more, and to do that through tax advantaged vehicles like 401ks.
Yeah. I think it's also fascinating just to think that obviously with your thesis, it's not like the primary users of these are people that are 60 plus, but you're going downstream and you're using the lens of what you're seeing and what you know to be true to then go and invest in things that should exist, and they need to get many more dollars that will likely get money from you that they won't get from other venture capital funds, I think, which is really interesting.
Yeah, absolutely. And listen, we had that, one of the nice things about being a small fund with an LP base that's very supportive is, we didn't say to them, we're only focused on businesses 65 plus. We said, this is, what we're focused on. And then, we have two investments in menopause related companies. Menopause affects women 35 to 55. So is that a senior issue? Yes and no, but women's health is ignored post childbearing years. So, feminine care is. And so, that's our gateway into it. So I think we're in places that we think ultimately impact this audience. But we definitely have said no to things when they're too off theme.